Hi, welcome to the Technology Tonight show. My name is Jane South. Today I have with me John Hill, who is going to chat about a new interesting product called Wallop. John, how are you tonight?
Very well, thanks for inviting me. It is a pleasure being on your show.
So, tell me, John, what is so unique about Wallop? I hear you can mix it to paint and it will control insects.
Wallop is a simple additive that you can add to your favorite interior latex or acrylic paint. Once it is thoroughly mixed, you apply your paint as usual. Yes, it will control insects, but I would firstly like to clarify the first point. Wallop is an additive that will not repel insects, but will actually eliminate insects.
So the insects will actually die from Wallop? If that is the case, will it be safe?
Let me start from the beginning. Wallop was carefully formulated to have a smooth interaction with paint firstly. Secondly, safety is a big concern. The active material will not harm humans, animals, lizards, poultry, birds, but to name a few. It is specifically targeted to control only insects. Great care has been taken in formulating Wallop. It is 100% safer than using aerosol insecticide sprays.
But surely this technology is available. Why is Wallop so different?
The technology has been available for quite some time. We are the second company worldwide to produce a universal additive that can be added to almost any interior paint. Most other paint companies have post-mixed their product into the paint. Wallop can literally be bought over the counter and added to your paint just before the job. You are now not bound to any brand of paint.
So basically, I can use Wallop in my next home renovation in the paint and it will control insects.
Yes, correct, Jane. But bear in mind, the insect will have to come into contact with the painted surface to absorb the active ingredient. After some time it will perish. We call this vector control as the insects will not multiply.
What applications are there for Wallop?
There are many. To begin with, it will help with the control of malaria in African, South American and Asian countries. More than 2 million people die from this disease annually. Hospitals, clinics, homes, workplaces, offices and any structure that uses paint can add Wallop to control malaria in affected areas.
So the applications are huge. Besides the applications, what insects can it control and how long does it take to control the insects?
This is depending on a few factors. The type of paint used, insect species and the make and model of the insect. Some species are more hardened than others and it may take a little longer, such as cockroaches. But on average it is between a few minutes and an hour.
This sounds great. Has it been tested and is there proof that it works?
Of course, we have done numerous tests with internationally acclaimed laboratories. Our manufacturers are world-class and are ISO 9000 accredited. Wallop is not a new product, but a developed product over the past few years.
Is it widely available?
Currently, not everywhere. We are in the process of a global rollout and we suggest that you visit our website to find our presence in your country.
Where is your company based?
Our primary distribution company is based in South Africa. And no, Mr. Registrar of South Africa, we are currently not distributing in your country, so please do not visit our offices.
Thank you very much for being here tonight and I hope all the best.
Thank you, Jane.
Just after the break. How nanotechnology is changing our lives.